Have you ever tried placing a bay leaf inside your washing machine? At first it may sound unusual, but in this video, I will explain exactly why it is worth giving it a chance. I will guide you through two different approaches, one that is quick and convenient, and another that requires a little more time and patience but gives excellent results, so make sure to stay with me until the very end. You may already know that when a bay leaf is burned, it releases a strong aroma filled with essential oils that spread through the air, creating a calming fragrance and, according to ancient traditions, even cleansing the atmosphere of the home. Many people believe that inhaling this scent promotes inner peace and mental clarity, helping the mind to relax after a long day. The natural compounds inside bay leaves, such as eugenol and cineol, are also known for their soothing and mildly sedative effects. In fact, healers from centuries ago often used them in small amounts to encourage relaxation and reduce anxiety, though they were always careful never to consume large doses. But let us now return to the main subject. Our grandmothers and great-grandmothers left us a treasury of simple but incredibly useful household tricks for keeping clothes clean, fresh, and colorful. They worked with the ingredients they had on hand, and many of their solutions continue to amaze us today with their efficiency. One of those fascinating methods is adding bay leaves to the laundry process, which at first glance might look surprising, yet it often delivers results far better than expected. The first and quicker method is very easy. All you need to do is take several bay leaves, place them inside an old sock or a piece of cloth, tie it securely, and put it directly into the washing machine drum together with your laundry. The second method is slower but more thorough. Grind a few bay leaves using a grinder until they turn into fine pieces. Friends, feel free to write in the comments where you are watching from, because I enjoy connecting with people from every part of the world. Thank you for being here. Once you have the ground leaves, pour them into half a liter of hot water. Then add a small spoonful of baking soda. Allow the mixture to rest for several hours so the active substances can release fully. After that, strain the liquid and add a few more liters of clean water to dilute it. Place your colored clothes in this solution and let them soak for a few hours before washing them in the machine. When bay leaves are boiled, they release natural compounds that have antibacterial and refreshing effects, which helps fabrics maintain bright colors and reduces the buildup of unwanted bacteria. Baking soda softens both fabrics and water, lessening the fading of colors and improving the cleaning efficiency. Combined, these ingredients remove unpleasant odors, provide natural disinfection, and prepare your clothing for a more effective wash, all while preserving their original vibrancy. My dear friends, do not forget to watch the next video appearing on your screen, because we always prepare more practical and interesting tips for you. Thank you for your time, take good care, and see you in the next video.